I'm Barry.
I'm Ben.
We're the
Geography Men. Right, today I'll be showing you a Concordant coastline. Now for this, again, you're going to need your white tray, your pot of clay, your pot of sand and water. Now again, what you want to do is to create those sausages with your clay. Now with each band of clay, your first band of clay, you want to stick it to the longest side of your tray. Create your second layer, which is going to represent your hard rock. Now what you want to do is fill in the gap with your sand, which represents your soft rock. Pat the sand down flat. So now what you're left with is your band of clay, which represents your hard rock, your band of sand in the middle representing the soft rock, and your second band of clay up against the side of the tray representing again your hard rock. Now this area here is going to represent the sea, therefore your coastline is running parallel to your rock type. Now what we need to do in this case is we need to aid our erosion process by creating a river valley that runs through our rock types. So what I'm going to do is, using my finger, I'm going to create our river valley that snakes its way through our rock type. Now this river is quite a powerful river, enough power to erode its way through that hard rock layer and flow out to the sea. Now again, what we need to do is add our sea. And again, we need to create those waves. So just gently rock the tray back and forwards, creating those waves. Now what happens is, as that sea level has risen, it has penetrated through the gap in the hard rock and is running back up through the old river valley. Now what this is allowing is for that sea to start to erode away the soft rock behind that hard rock layer. Continue with those waves. You might need to give it a helping hand at this point just to demonstrate how that material would be washed out to sea and keep eroding behind. Now what we start to get is we start to get our cove forming in the soft rock behind our band of hard rock. Now eventually this will start to show that typical scallop shaped cove behind. Now as this is happening, you can begin to create a cave under here in your hard rock band, which will eventually erode to become a small archway. Now as that has happened, what you can see is that the sea again has managed to penetrate through the hard rock band and is able to erode away at the soft rock. Now what this is forming is, here on the Dorset coastline, Lulworth Cove and the beginnings of a new cove like Stair Hole. Now eventually the process could continue on and you could eventually create Durdle Door, showing the process of erosion and just your hard rock band being left as a barrier in the sea. So there you have it, our concordant coastline using sand